So today I should actually do that one time to where I'm talking to an empty corner and the camera's over there. I'm gonna set the saws up and yeah, so let's get that done. We will need it. Yes, they are. Oh, yep. You do it the other way. You do it like that. Or no. Yeah, you do it like that, and then it goes down like that. Clamp those down. Wonderful. I love this garage door opener. Don't need this. All right, I will need you. I will need you. I will need you. Something else for that. I will need you. I will need you. Do I need that today? I'll grab that if I need it. That. And that. Then I could undo this. My goal today is... Excuse me, Poppy, I know. You want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? You too? Alright, we'll go outside, okay? We'll go outside. Just hang on one second. Give me 30 seconds, Puppy. I know. What I want to do to the floors, I want to... I know, Puppy. I know. I want to do the floor here, up to a threshold right here, and then just from pretty much here on out. And I did forget this. I've been working in silence all day. It's 4:09. Are you serious? It's 4:09. Are you serious? Oh, oh my God. Once again, they are playing my favorite song. Oh, this is gonna be loud. You know what? Because I'm a dork like that, I'm going to take a picture of that. Take a picture for my Facebook, for a Facebook group I'm in called Ryobi Rebels. Perfect. Just like that. See, clean up your mess as you make it when you do floor. so that doesn't get in the way. Nice clean cut. Nice clean cut, seriously. Knife. Alrighty, I think we are. Everything else is gonna go just well. Does not smell like it's burning. It's working good still. I did put this through a lot. I did. Yes. Here we go. Perfect. All right. So now. Alright, how am I going to do that? Alright, so I've been sitting here for a while trying to think of what I can do. And I just... my back hurts. I'm starting to think that I have to go from this end to that end, but it won't... They don't lock in like that. Like you have to go from left to right. Not right to left. I might have to work, I don't know, just one line. I might have to work from this end to that end because this I could install and tap it in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carefully cut that piece off right there. Cut the locking piece and try to keep that other edge. That looks good. Alright, so I did get this piece. In better. I'm gonna have to use a little gray marker, dark gray, and fill that little chip in. Looks good. Now then, because I still have the lip right here where I could put something in on it and slide that in to cover up that little gap right there, that tiny gap. And same thing on this side too. This side's a little bit bigger gap, but that's fine because the piece will cover that up. So yes. All right, so due to the time and the way I feel, I'm gonna end this video right here. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Next episode will be a lot better. It'll be a lot of OnePlus, the OnePlus 10-inch miter saw. That's the main tool for next episode. So yeah, so this is David Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.